currently in Hong Kong and I found a couple of really cool, unique snacks. This one is Lay's. It's Japanese creamy herb soup flavor and it was limited edition, so of course I had to get it. Another Lay's, it's Korean braised beef rib. A couple of Pringles. This is in Japanese, so you probably can't read it, but it says okonomiyaki, which is basically Japanese style savory pancakes. One says egg sandwich. Ooh, I love eggs. We also have yogurt flavored Skittles. I am gonna do a taste test for all these snacks and share them with you guys.